This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download VirtualBox. So I'm right here on the main VirtualBox downloads page. You can find it at virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Now that URL is a bit of a mouthful, so I'll put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and you will appear here on this page. You won't need to go searching or anything like that. Now there's a ton of options right here for different platforms that we can download VirtualBox to. So if you're on Windows, we've got the Windows version here. We've got the Intel chips and the Apple Silicon chip version for macOS right here. There's a Linux distribution as well, and then there's two different Solaris versions as well. So for example, if you're on Windows, you'd click here, that will instantly download the Windows version. The same with I'm on a Mac right here, so I would go with the Apple Silicon version. I would click there. You can see that the icon goes flying up in the top right corner, which is the universal symbol that something has been downloaded on the Mac. And from there you will literally just install the installer. That's the easy, straightforward bit. Now depending on your browser, for example, I'm on Google Chrome right here on my Mac, so everything goes to my main downloads folder. Your downloads location on your browser might be different. It will be set in the setup and configuration of your browser, but you should know where your downloads location is. You would install the installer from there and you will follow the process from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download VirtualBox useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.